Hi everyone, and welcome back to our Gmail training. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the power of the archive button. You can say goodbye to that delete button. So here we are in Gmail. Let's open an email. When you have maybe read the email, responded to it, maybe you starred it, maybe you added a label, marked it for later, whatever it may be. What's next? We do have a few buttons up here at the top. We have archive and we have delete. So what do? We archive it. What does that mean? Archiving an email will remove it from your primary inbox, reducing the clutter and the overwhelming feeling that email can give you. Maybe it can therefore reduce your stress and make email feel manageable for once. Yes, the word manageable associated with email. I know, this button is magic. So where do the emails go? That's the beauty of Gmail. If you use labels, which we will talk about in another lesson, you can find the emails there. If it's starred, you'll find it there as well. So this email has a GFE or Google for Education label. So let's click archive. It's no longer in my primary inbox and taking up space and clutter. And now let's go check the GFE label and voila, there's the email. But back to our inbox, it's not there. That's one less email that I need to see when I log in. Doesn't that feel like a weight lifted off of your shoulders? I told you this button is magic. Now, what if there were no labels on that email? You can click the More button and then access all mail. Another option is search, but we'll cover that in detail in another lesson. Now, we used that archive button from the open email. Another great option is to use the hover actions that we've talked about previously. Watch how fast you can use this to clean up your email. It's fantastic. Do this at the start or end of every day and your email will be, yes, manageable. Okay, so that's great and all, but we've got one more trick up our sleeve with archive. Let's go into our settings. So click on the setting gear in the top right corner and then click see all settings. We've talked about all of these settings so far, so where we left off was send and archive. Let's set this to show send and archive button on reply. Scroll to the bottom and click save. Now let's open an email. Click reply and then type in your message. Now, when we're ready to send, look at this awesome new button. It says send with the archive icon. In one single click, I can respond to this email and have it removed from my inbox so it's not taking up space. When the person responds, it will reappear in my inbox. And if I have labels or stars on this email, it will be easy to locate in those locations. Now, if I want this email to remain in my inbox or the category that it was in, I can click the send button as opposed to send and archive. I'm telling you that archive button is magic. Now that you're convinced to archive and not delete your emails, let's do a quick recap. You can use the hover actions to quickly clean up your email. From an open email, you can click the archive button along the top. If you're sending an email, you can click send an archive button when responding. And finally, from the inbox window, you can actually just select one or more emails and then select archive also along the top.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.